You either define your fate or you're defined by it. Even before I was born, my dad lived with advanced multiple sclerosis. This is a disease that affects the brain and spinal cord and weakens the immune system. This disease stripped away everything from him. His ability to walk, most of his motor skills, his independence, and on December 4th, 2015, his life. This disease was always something difficult for my family and I to deal with, so one of the ways I found myself coping was by working with people with disabilities. I found that I was able to connect with them in ways that others weren't due to my father having a disability. But it wasn't until my freshman year in high school where I first had my dream to start my own nonprofit organization, with the mission being to empower youth with disabilities and their families to better improve the quality of their lives. The dream was to make sure that no person or family ever had to go through the emotional pain that my family had endured, and to remind them that they are not alone. This dream is a reality, as I have taken action and met with some of the most incredible people in the world. One of these people is Tom Toohey, the founder of Dreams for Kids. I am so excited to get involved with Dreams for Kids and meet a whole network of people who are eager to help me build my social enterprise and become the person that I want to be. Somebody I know that my dad would be proud of.